Hey, beautiful people, Dr. Eve here. Hope all is well. Welcome back to another Living Well is a Lifestyle vlog. And today we are still working with containers for all of the families out there who are looking for a long term solution for their well being. And maybe you don't have land. Maybe you have been a participant of the food bank like myself so many times in the past, and you're just looking for long term sustainability. Containers are an option, and today I'm going to be up potting some chives, which is an herb that comes back every single year. And this year I decided I'm going to put them in some pots because they come back every year, and I want them to have a sustainable place where they can just keep popping up every single year. They even stay around for the winter. This one has been around for the winter. It didn't die back, it just kept growing. So we have three of them that we're going to be dealing with that I took from different locations that I'm trying to now put my I know you can group things, and that's good, but I'm because these come back every year, I want to put them in different places around the garden. So I'm going to start with the ones that I have been growing already, and then I'm going to be growing some more in some other containers, and I will be sharing that with you as well. But today I've already mixed up some repurposed soil. So I showed them on the last live. I did repurpose some soil from bags, from because I don't my soil is good, and as long as it doesn't have gnats and fungi and things of that nature, I will repurpose it. And so I'm going to be doing the same thing for these chives. So I'm up potting them to a rather large quart size. I think this is a quart. This is, it doesn't say what size it is, but it was a former blueberry pot. And I'm up potting to three of those to individual containers so that we can have three that I can put sporadically around the garden, just because I'm looking for long-term sustainability and giving them actually room to grow. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to be putting my already prepared soil that I amended already, which is I listed on the first video, which was amending soil for containers. I did that with some lavender, and you should probably see that in the video before this one. But we're going to go ahead and use what we've already prepared. It's already been amended, and it's repurposed soil. I love that. It's got some greens, got some nitrogen, it's got some fish emulsion, it's really good soil. We put some peat moss in there, and we also put some perlite in there because when you're working in containers can dry out sometimes, and no, not sometimes, they will dry out if you don't give them a pathway to be to have to be sustainable, meaning um, well maintained and moistured. So I don't know how much moisture these chives need, but baby, they have been dry and still growing. So even with pure neglect, they just been growing. So I assume they don't need a lot, but don't hold that to me. I will look that up for you and put some more sound information about how you can use chives in your meals and even in your health, because these herbs are used for more than just food. And food, we know, is what we eat, but it's also what medicine is derived from. So yeah. So now real quickly, we're going to have three new pots of chives. So I have put all the soil in, and now I'm going to pot these up. This is what my pot looks like, and this is what my chive looks like. And we're just going to sit that right down there in the middle and get it going, get it so it can get its roots nice and acclimated back to the soil. So don't have to put it too deep because it is a deep rooted. Actually, it's gonna reach. It will reach for soil. So we're just gonna put that in there. We're gonna add some more soil to it so that we can top it off. So that's one we have. Okay, and we will top all of those off. We have another one that was in a bag actually, and I'm moving it from a bag to a pot because again, I want to give it, the bags are good, but I want to give these plants more sustainability because they come back every year. So I'm putting them in their own secured space and areas to drain and all the good things. I feel really good about that. This is really what I want to do for my herbs this year as I grow new ones, but I want to put these older ones into their individualized space as I prepare to grow more herbs. Okay, so it's about expansion this year, and even in my expansion efforts, okay, that's not going to work. I'm just going to use my knuckles. Even in my expansion efforts, I want to change, how I work with what I already have. Can it grow bigger if I give it more space? Absolutely. Some things do, some things don't. This is number 2, looking good. It's very rich and nice and green. And this last one we're gonna do is container number 3, and this one came from a small bed that had a lot of different herbs in it, and so we're just gonna place this one in here and get it going in its own pot. And we will have 3 potted up chives that you can come and cut anytime you need chives for your meals, for your potatoes. We can put them in random places, in the kitchen garden, in the patio garden, in the main garden. You can put them different places. So I'm vying for diversity in the garden, so I'm super excited about that. Anyway, we now have 3 potted up chives repurposed, and they're going into their new spaces around the garden. And I hope that this video supports and helps you on your journey to living well, because living well is truly a lifestyle that we create for ourselves. So we will be putting in some more soil to top this off. These 2 look pretty deep, but I'll probably be putting some more soil in this one. I probably actually could have halved this one because it is so tight in there. It's so tight. But so because you can propagate them. So just like any other vegetable, well, many vegetables, if you know what you're doing, you can propagate them. So we're really excited about new things on the homestead. This is Dr. Eve, and we have just potted up 3 of our chives so that we can relocate them to different places in the garden. I hope this video helped. Please check out the next video to this playlist on container gardening. Peace and blessings, and I hope you have the most amazing day, and whatever you do, don't let anybody get in the way on your journey to becoming who he has called you to become. Until next time, bye for now.